Hi, my name is Scott Tubbs. I'm a cropping systems agronomist with the University of Georgia in Tifton. I do most of my work in peanut agronomic research, but also do additional work in cropping systems related to rotations that are built around peanuts and other major crops that are grown in our systems. We conduct research at multiple locations throughout the state to be representative of all growing areas. We do work here at the University of Georgia Southwest Research and Education Center in Plains, Georgia. We also do work at the Southeast Research and Education Center in Midville, Georgia, at the Attapulgis Research and Education Center in the southwest corner of Georgia, in the primary peanut producing area, also on University of Georgia Tifton campus. So we cover the entire state, lots of different soil types and climate types to test our trials in multiple different soils and in different weather pattern conditions. The research trial that we're conducting at the Plains Research and Education Center is a grow pattern and seeding rate treatment effect on 6 different cultivars of peanuts. So we're testing 6 different varieties that were bred in 4 different breeding programs from our public breeding institutions. That includes University of Georgia, Auburn University, University of Florida, and the USDA ARS breeding programs. This trial is looking at twin row versus single row peanut using 3 different seeding rates of 5 seed per foot, 6 seed per foot, and 7 seed per foot for each one of those varieties. In years past, we've conducted some similar research, and we've noticed that the twin row pattern will support a slightly higher seeding rate than the single row pattern for maximizing yield potential. We can actually sometimes reduce our seeding rate a little bit lower in single row without losing yield potential. We just run into potentially some tomato spotted wilt virus interactions by reducing seeding rate at certain times of the year with certain varieties that are more susceptible to that virus. These 2 varieties are representative of a very full growing canopy. This is a Georgia 12Y peanut, very characteristic of having a large canopy and puts on a lot of foliage, a lot of vegetation. And this is TIFNV High OL, which is a more characteristically known as a lower growing peanut and has a much lower canopy. So there's definitely a height difference and a total vegetative biomass difference in terms of the amount of foliage on a Georgia 12Y peanut than a TIFNV High OL peanut. These are both at the same seeding rate of 5 seed per foot.